everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create card swiping carousel interactive prototype in Figma. We will be focusing on the drag trigger and auto layout. So let's go. Here's the prototype that we want to achieve. We want to achieve the swiping left and right carousel, and we will be using the drag. So at first we want to create all of our designs. I've created all of my cards here, and so at first we need to have if you have a card, so many cards that you want to make them swipeable, first of all have all of the cards ready. For example, here I have the first card, the second one, and so on. So I'm gonna just make them as a group with horizontal auto layout. So I'm gonna click on Shift A to just create the auto layout frame. So all of these should be frame, and we want to call it cards. And so I have all of them here, and the spacing between each of the cards is even. It's 16. So that's it. This is, for example, your mobile frame. So I'm gonna just let me delete this one. I'm gonna just place all of the frames in here. Okay, so we want to place all of them here. We won't be seeing the rest of the cards because we have clip content active. If I deactivate, we can see the rest of the cards here, but we don't want that, so I click activate it again. So yeah, here we have this. So the next thing that we want to do, let me rename this again. So the next thing is to just copy and paste at this frame. So I'm holding Alt and just drag it to duplicate the frame. And then here we have the duplicated file, and then we can just, I'm holding Shift, and we will be just dragging to show the second card here. So yeah, here is the second card, and yeah, so we will be doing this, doing these steps the same for the rest of the cards. So I'm gonna just Ctrl C and V to have this one, and again drag, holding Shift to drag it in the same direction. So because if I don't hold Shift, it's gonna move freely, but I don't want that. I want everything to be at the same line. So I'm holding Shift and drag again to this. Perfect. So I'm gonna just change the dots here as well. This is the third and this is the fourth. Okay, perfect. Let me rename the frame here as well. Okay, now we have all of our 4 cards. So we will be switching to the prototype tab. Here in the interaction, we have the interaction trigger on drag, and then navigate to smart animation. So here, if I click here and just preview the prototype that we just made, we can see that here we have a drag interaction. Yes, and when we drag, it moves to the second frame, second card. And we will be doing the same as well. We here in the interaction tab, we clicked on the plus, and then on drag, move to undrag, navigate to undrag, navigate to 3. Okay, and here again on the third frame, we click the new interaction, undrag, navigate to 4. And yeah, I guess that was so easy, guys. So here we can test it out again. Our dots are not correct. We need to just copy and paste and recreate the dots so that it's not animated. I can show you here as well. So here, when we drag, the dots are okay. because it's copy paste, and we're done here. Thank you so much guys for watching this quick tutorial video as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, then you won't miss out the rest of the videos that I'm making. Thank you so much guys for your support. Until the next video, bye.